Hello my dear friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video and it was useful, like it and subscribe to my channel. Activate the side bell to be notified of our latest videos sooner than others. Make sure the flash drive is connected to the computer. Sees that my 16 GB flash drive is connected to the computer. Next step, we search CMD. And run it as an administrator. I open the command line window to zoom in to make it easier for you to see. OK. Type the diskpart command to run the diskpart program. Well, now we are in the diskpart environment, where we can manage our hard disks. To be able to see a list of hard drives connected to the computer, run list disk command. Here you can see that I have 5 internal and external hard drives. The last item list is my flash drive, which I found out based on its size. When choosing a flash drive, be very careful if you don't choose another hard drive, else all your data will be erased. And data recovery will be very difficult. Well, I type the select disk 4 inches command and select my flash disk. Then I clean all the flash disk information with clean command. Well, in this step we will create a primer partition. By create partition primary command. Then we have to select the partition we created and we do not have one more partition by select partition 1 inch command. We choose then we have to format this partition by the command format fs equals ntfs quick note. If your system supports Unified Extensible Firmware Interface, UEFI, I recommend that you install your operating system this way for higher performance. See the system information in the section System Summary in the section BIOS mode supports UEFI. So it is better to use FAT32 instead of NTFS so that we do not have any problems later. Then we activate our own flash drive active command. Next step, we just need to copy the Windows installation files to our flash drive. Because it does not take your time, I stop recording to copy the files completely. Now the whole file has been transferred to the flash drive and we can select the flash in the BIOS section. Boot the system from the flash.